How to send stars on Facebook Reels. In this tutorial, I'll show you guys how you can easily send stars to your favorite creator to show support on Facebook Reels. Go ahead and open up your Facebook application. And once you open up your Facebook, just make sure that you're logged in. Then the next step is to head over to the video icon or the Reels icon right at the top of your screen. Once you land on the video page, you just need to find this option where it says show your appreciation or show your support, something like that, with a little star icon. If you don't find the option on a certain reel, that means that the creator has not turned on the gifts option. As you can see here, that option is not available on this one, so I'm not able to send a star to this particular creator. But what I can do is go ahead and send star, let's say, to this one right here. So it has an option to show appreciation or send stars. Tap on it, and then you can simply go ahead and choose how many stars you want to send, and you'll see the amount for it as well. So let's say if I want to send 20 stars, tap on send for 30 cents. Now simply go ahead and tap on the add credit or debit card option if you haven't already, and then add your card information. Then you should be able to send the stars easily to this creator. I hope this tutorial was helpful to you guys, and I'll catch you on the next one.